Hey guys, thought I would make a quick video about the Remington rodeo chainsaw. Just give you a little bit of backstory on Remington. They were originally made by a company called DISA International. This was a company that mostly made heaters, propane heaters, kerosene heaters. Look them up. Anyway, they filed for bankruptcy in 2008, and MTD bought the brand in 2009. As far as I know, at one time they used to make chainsaws. They began with like the Remington Rebel. This was like a 14 to 16 inch chainsaw. Remington Outlaw, I think those were, I don't know, 16, 18. And then their top of the line was a Rodeo Pro. As far as I know, in the gas chainsaws they only make the 18 and 20 anymore. At least that's the only ones I could find. Maybe online they make the others. Anyway, Menards actually sells these, has them in stock. You can't get these also from Home Depot, Lowe's. Anyway, there's a lot of it looks like a lot of the reviews and stuff are good on these. I haven't used this yet, so this isn't really a review. It's more of a first look. Show you what you get here. I said this is a Remington Rodeo. This is 51cc 18-inch bar length, and show you some of the things that you get with it when you open it up. Emissions label, registration. This is the manual, pretty big manual actually. Your scrunch, your multi-tool, whatever you want to call it. The scrunch actually is pretty cheap looking. Fortunately I've got a bunch more, so oh well. And then you know, your oil for your mix is 40 to 1, as you see there, and that's a little bit different because they give you a small bottle of bar and chain oil. Actually, that's the only chainsaw I've ever bought where they actually give you bar and chain oil too. Anyway, let's look at it here. This is actually a pretty nice case. Let's see here. This comes down, and there's spots there where you could put the multi-tool, extra spark plug, file, what have you. Just the chainsaw itself. For warranty information. Okay. Another thing to notice about this is actually a pretty heavy chainsaw for size. It feels quite bulky and heavy. You know, especially when I compare it to you know, a lot of the other 18-inch bar lengths. But anyway, it's the stop, run, okay, choke, primer bulb, of course gas, bar chain oil. Of course, it has a couple of bolts there to get to the air filter and the spark plug. Now, and here's your starting instructions here. Cover. Little bucking spikes. Floor. Anyway, necessarily, I've seen quite a few good reviews on it, especially for its price. It is $199, or at least that's what it was at Menards. I think it was just a bit over $200 with tax. Anyway, tomorrow I'm probably going to test it out, show you, you know, how well it cuts. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.